Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn what is MongoDB and how to install it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. What is MongoDB? Why use MongoDB? Where to use MongoDB? MongoDB installation and running the MongoDB shell. So these are the points which I will cover in this video. So what is MongoDB? MongoDB is recognized as the leading NoSQL database. NoSQL database means not only a SQL language and data is in unstructured form. MongoDB is free and open source cross-platform document-oriented database program. Instead of storing data in tables of rows or columns like SQL databases, each record in MongoDB database is a document described in BSON, a binary representation of the data. Applications can then retrieve this information in JSON format. Here, BSON is nothing but binary JavaScript object notation. That is, this binary representation is readable by the machine or any system. And JSON, that is JavaScript object notation, this format is human readable. Why use MongoDB? In MongoDB, the data is stored in the form of documents. So before we start further, let me show you the difference between SQL and NoSQL or MongoDB concepts. Here you can see in SQL where there is database, in MongoDB too it is a database. But difference here is where there are tables in SQL, in MongoDB it is called collection. Then in SQL where there are rows in MongoDB they are called as documents. And in SQL where there are columns in MongoDB it is called as fields. So here this is a collection and here you can see rows as documents and column as fields. Then MongoDB has high availability and replication and it has rich set of queries. Where to use MongoDB? Integrating large amounts of diverse data. If you are bringing together tens or hundreds of data sources, the flexibility and power of the document model can create a single unified view in the ways that other databases cannot. Describing complex data structures. Document databases allow embedding of documents to describe nested structures and easily tolerate variations in data in generations of documents. Specialized data formats like geospatial are efficiently supported. This results in resilient repository that doesn't break or need to be redesigned every time something changes. Delivering data in high-performance applications. MongoDB's scale-out architecture can support huge numbers of transactions on homogeneous databases. Unlike other databases that either cannot support such scale or can only do with massive amounts of engineering and additional components, MongoDB has clear path to scalability because of the way it was designed. MongoDB is a scalable out of the box, supporting hybrid and multi-cloud applications. MongoDB can be deployed and run on desktop, a massive cluster of computer in data center, or in a public cloud, either as installed software or through MongoDB Atlas, a database as a service product. This is the official window of MongoDB installation. Link is provided in description. After installation, run the downloaded Windows installer package. Here, accept the license terms. After that, click on Complete Setup Type. You can also choose Custom Setup Type. Difference between Custom and Complete Setup Type is, Custom Setup allows user to choose which program features will be allowed and where we want to save it. But in Complete Setup, all features will be installed. Run as network service means it will run in background as background service. Check the MongoDB Compass installation. Then click on Install. After installation, click on Finish. Before that, there will be a pop-up window asking for permission. Grant the permission in order to complete the installation. Here, this is MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is a powerful GUI for querying, aggregating, and analyzing your MongoDB data in visual environment. Compass is free to use and source available, and can be run on Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. MongoDB cluster allows a MongoDB database to either horizontally scale across many servers with sharding, or to replicate data ensuring high availability with MongoDB replica sets, therefore enhancing the overall performance and reliability of the MongoDB cluster. MongoDB Atlas is fully managed cloud database that handles all the complexity of deploying, managing, and healing your deployments on the cloud service provider of your choice, that is AWS or Azure. There are two ways for running the MongoDB shell: using Compass GUI, using command prompt. Let us see using Compass GUI. When you open MongoDB Compass, click here for filling fields. Then click here on Connect when the pop-up window arrives. Here it is the default port for everyone. After that, click here to create database. Here you can set name for database and collection which you are creating. Here the capped collection means if you are storing 10 values and the size of database is 10, then the latest entries will be entered and the old ones will get deleted. Then here custom collation means it is used when you are using some special symbols or etc. And time series means it stores collection over a period of time. After that, here database is created. Click on that database to enter values. Then click here on add data and insert document. Here you can also import documents. Here we have entered fields and values. After that, click on insert. Here we can see that the values are stored which we entered. Here you can edit, copy, clone or delete the document. When you click on edit, you see the data type of that particular field or value. For compilation, we have compiler as CMD, not exact CMD, but here we can use commands to perform operations and check output. Here we have used show DBS command to see database present here. Second way is using command prompt. For using this way, we need to set the path in environment variables. Type env in computer search bar. Then click on environment variables. After that, in user variables, click on edit and set the path from bin folder which is present in MongoDB folder in C drive. After setting path, click on OK and open command prompt. The reason for setting the path is instead of running Mongo executables every time from bin folder, we can just type Mongo in command prompt and PowerShell will automatically take all files from bin folder, which are required for performing operations. Here we have used the same command and we get the same output. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.